Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into an interesting problem that arose while coding a memset function for an embedded system. The problem revolved around the usage of MOVUPS and MOVAPS instructions, both providing similar performance results despite one requiring aligned memory. This led to the question of the purpose behind these instructions and their counterparts MOVAPT, MOVUPT, MOVCA, and MOVCU. Let's explore the solution to this puzzling problem. In addressing this issue, the solution lies in using MOVAPS as an assert to ensure data alignment, particularly as cache line splits and page splits can impact performance. Historically, before 2008, MOVUPS was slower even for aligned addresses on certain CPUs, necessitating the use of MOVAPS for efficient operations. The design choices behind SSE1, introduced in Pentium 3, also played a role in the differences between these instructions. Furthermore, compilers and auto-vectorization capabilities have evolved, impacting the relevance of alignment requirements in modern programming contexts. To summarize, the distinction between MOVAPS and MOVUPS lies in alignment verification and historical performance considerations. While both instructions may yield similar results in certain scenarios, understanding their nuances can optimize code efficiency. And with that, we've come to the end of our discussion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this intriguing journey into x86 instructions. See you next time.